HGV. The HGV Helios 26-ton horsebox is a bespoke horsebox designed and manufactured by KPH Horseboxes. It is renowned for its unique curved roof system and beautifully shaped Helios luton pod, providing an impressive internal height of up to 2.59 meters, 8 feet 6 inches, ensuring a comfortable environment for the horses. The Helios HGV horsebox range varies from 10 to 26 tons, with each horsebox individually crafted to meet high standards. The horseboxes can be up to 12 meters in length and have the option of up to 3 slide-out sides. The 26-ton option allows for the inclusion of a living area above the horse compartment, complete with even a guest bedroom. They can be equipped with amenities like a new luxury bedroom, a toilet, shower, bathroom, and a kitchen. The Newmar King Aire is a top-of-the-line diesel motorhome known for its luxurious amenities and powerful engine. It comes standard with a 605 horsepower Cummins X15 diesel engine, providing ample power for traveling long distances. The King Aire boasts a sturdy build with a 16-inch on-center frame, a fiberglass roof with an integrated gutter rail, and galvanized sheeting to prevent distortion. The King Aire is packed with the latest technology, including a custom-tuned Harman Infinity audio system, wireless charging pads, a Samsung QLED TV with a Bose soundbar in the bedroom, and a 360 camera system with night vision for added safety. With its spacious interior, powerful engine, and advanced features, it's perfect for those who demand the best in RVing. The Powerhouse coach is not a single coach, but rather the name of a company that specializes in building custom luxury motor coaches, trailers, Tata trucks, and special-use emergency vehicles. They use a full-size Class 8 diesel truck chassis as the foundation for their builds, ensuring a sturdy and powerful platform. Powerhouse coaches are known for their luxurious interiors, which often feature high-end finishes such as granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and leather furniture. As the name suggests, Powerhouse coaches are built for power. They use powerful diesel engines that can easily tow heavy loads and handle challenging terrain. Powerhouse coaches are built to last, using top-quality materials and construction techniques. The Winnebago Adventurer AE is a Class A gas motorhome designed specifically for wheelchair users. It is based on the company's top-of-the-line Adventurer model and features a number of accessibility-enhancing features, making it easier and more comfortable for people with disabilities to travel and explore. The Winnebago Adventurer AE is a remarkable motorhome that combines luxury and accessibility. Built on Winnebago's top-tier Class A gas coach, this RV is designed to accommodate wheelchair users without compromising on comfort or style. Despite its compact length of just 31 feet, the Adventurer 30T AE model is packed with premium amenities. The motorhome features a host of wheelchair-friendly features such as a folding assist bar, a roll-in shower ramp, a slide-out dining table, and a wheelchair lift with a curtain. These thoughtful additions make life on the road easier and more enjoyable for those with mobility challenges. The Winnebago Adventurer AE is a great option for wheelchair users who want to experience the freedom and adventure of RV travel. Its combination of accessibility features, premium amenities, and compact size makes it a unique and appealing choice in the RV market. The Morelo Palace is a series of high-end luxury motorhomes built by the German company Morelo Palace. They are known for their spacious interiors, high-quality materials, and impressive list of standard features. The interior is finished with high-quality materials such as leather upholstery, solid wood cabinetry, and granite countertops. This version comes in 8 different floor plan layouts, all offering ample living space and luxurious amenities. This version features a wider body with even more space and increased load capacity. The kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including a full-size refrigerator, stove, and oven. The Palace boasts a large living area with ample space for relaxing and entertaining. The high ceilings and large windows contribute to the feeling of spaciousness and provide plenty of natural light. It also comes in a wider variety of floor plan layouts, with a total of 17 options available. Epic. The Epic Living Vehicle HD30 is a luxurious, off-grid capable travel trailer designed for those who want to explore the outdoors in style and comfort. The HD30 comes with a comprehensive solar power system that can generate enough electricity to power the entire trailer, including the air conditioning and heating systems. It has a well-equipped kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, a comfortable living area, and a spacious bedroom. The Epic Living Vehicle HD30 is a truly unique and innovative travel trailer that is perfect for those who want to experience the freedom and adventure of off-grid camping in luxury. The HD30 features a spacious and luxurious interior with high-quality finishes, such as leather upholstery, solid wood cabinetry, and granite countertops. Foretravel IH-45. The Foretravel IH-45 is a luxurious diesel pusher motorhome known for its spacious living area, powerful engine, and top-of-the-line amenities. It comes standard with a powerful Cummins ISX 600 horsepower engine, providing ample power for traveling long distances. With its spacious interior, powerful engine, and advanced features, it's perfect for those who demand the best in RV living. The amazing luxury king-size bed with a memory foam mattress. Spacious bathroom with a walk-in shower. Fully equipped kitchen with residential-grade appliances. The IH-45 boasts a sturdy, double-welded aluminum frame with a one-piece fiberglass roof for superior durability and weather resistance. The IH-45 is packed with the latest technology, including a multiplex control system, a GPS navigation system, a rear-view camera system, and a KVH satellite TV system. Adria CORAL XL. The Adria CORAL XL is a series of mid-sized luxury motorhomes built by the Slovenian company Adria Mobile. They are known for their spacious interiors, comfortable sleeping arrangements, and user-friendly features, making them ideal for families and groups of travelers. The CORAL XL comes in several different layouts, ranging from 650 SP to 680 LE, with sleeping capacities of 4 to 6 people. Each layout offers a different configuration of beds, bathrooms, and living areas to suit various needs and preferences. Spacious living area. The CORAL XL boasts a spacious and open living area with a large dinette and comfortable seating. Well-equipped kitchen. The kitchen comes equipped with essential appliances like a gas stove, sink, and refrigerator, making it easy to prepare meals on the go. Depending on the chosen model and options, the CORAL XL can be equipped with various additional features, such as a garage, awning, solar panels, and an outdoor shower. The Movable Roots Ward Tiny Home on Wheels is a custom-built tiny home designed for those seeking a comfortable and stylish living space in a compact package. Spacious loft accessible by storage stairs serving as the main bedroom. Built on a 28-foot movable roots trailer, offering just over 300 square feet of living space, including the loft. L-shaped kitchen with 36-inch upper cabinets and custom barn wood open shelving featuring LED light strips for a touch of modern flair. Bathroom with toilet and shower. Based on the cabin model but with customizations to meet the Ward family's specific needs. Modern design with clean lines and a neutral color palette. Movable Roots is an Arizona-based tiny home builder known for creating functional and stylish mobile dwellings. Built on a 28-foot movable roots trailer, offering just over 300 square feet of living space, including the loft. Based on the cabin model but with customizations to meet the Ward family's specific needs. Pricing information for the Ward tiny home is not publicly available. Still, you can contact Movable Roots for details on their current offerings and pricing structure.